videos you just saw at the beginning of this video were all created using a single platform called Akool. Do platforms that offer multiple different video generation models really manage to deliver the level of quality they claim? That is exactly the question we want to answer in this video. In this video, we are going to examine whether Akool, considering its pricing plans and the features it offers, is truly a cost-effective, reliable, and professional-grade option for video creators or not. Akool presents itself as a professional AI video generation platform, a platform that supports models such as Sora 2, Google Veo 3.1, and Nano Banana Pro, and claims it can produce outputs suitable for professional use by editors and content creators. In this video, we put that exact claim to the test. Step by step, we enter the Akool environment, review its plans and capabilities, select different models, adjust the settings, and finally generate real videos to see whether the output quality truly matches what is being promised. Quick heads up before we start. In every video here on AI Border, 2 random viewers who leave a comment below will win a pro account of this very tool. So make sure to drop a comment, share your thoughts, or even just an emoji, because the next winner might be you. Let's jump into the video. To begin, we click the link in the description and enter the official Akool website. You can quickly sign up using your email or log into an existing account. After logging in, you're taken to the main dashboard. On the left side, you will find the main content creation menu. For this video, our primary focus is on image to video and text to video, the features that form the core of Akool's video generation system. The reason we chose Akool for this review is the wide range of these capabilities, which allows us to examine the platform from multiple angles and evaluate it in detail. Let's start with image to video, one of the most powerful sections of Akool. First, you select the frame, which defines the starting image of your video. In the reference section, you can optionally upload a reference image to guide motion style, lighting, or facial expressions. In the input section, you upload the main image you want to animate. By enabling start frame, Akool ensures that the video begins exactly from the selected image. Now we arrive at the most important part, the prompt. This is where you describe the motion, camera movement, lighting, mood, and overall atmosphere of the video. The more precise the prompt, the more cinematic and realistic the final result will be. You can also control the AI creativity level. When this option is turned off, the model follows your image and prompt very precisely. When it is turned on, the AI has more freedom to add dynamic motion and creative interpretation. Next, you select the video generation model, set the duration, resolution, and number of outputs, and optionally enable AI-generated sound. Then, by clicking Generate, the video creation process begins. Akool gives us access to several powerful video generation models, including Sora 2, Google Veo 3.1, Kling, and even WAN 2.6. For this test, we're going to work with the Google Veo model so we can see how well it handles cinematic motion and overall video quality. Now let's review the real results from this section together. In the first example, we start with a single portrait image. Using a slow cinematic camera push, soft natural lighting, and subtle facial motion, the model generates a realistic talking scene with smooth transitions and stable identity preservation. In another example, we use a character image with a more dynamic environment. The motion becomes more expressive, with stronger camera movement, deeper depth, and a more dramatic atmosphere. These examples show how different prompt styles and creativity settings can lead to very different cinematic results, even when starting from a single image. If you need faster processing and access to advanced models, this is where pro features like Fast Generate come into play. Considering the output quality, the simplicity of the user interface, and the easy access to settings, I give this section a score of 8 out of 10. The next section is text to video. In this part, unlike the previous one, you don't upload any images. You simply write a detailed prompt, select a model, configure the generation settings, and Akool creates a complete video purely based on text. This feature is extremely useful for cinematic scenes, storytelling, conceptual videos, and advertising content that requires full creative freedom. Let's take a look at a few real outputs from this section. In one example, we generate a cinematic city scene at night using a detailed prompt that includes camera motion, atmospheric lighting, and environmental effects such as rain reflections and depth-based focus. In another test, we focus on a more conceptual scene, relying on abstract motion, softer transitions, and a storytelling-driven prompt rather than realism alone. These results demonstrate that text-to-video in Akool is not limited to basic visuals, but can be used for creative storytelling and commercial-grade concepts. Based on the acceptable quality and access to a variety of models, I give this section a score of 8 out of 10. In addition to direct video generation, Akool offers several complementary tools that enhance video content. Avatar Video allows you to create talking avatars with accurate lip sync for presentations and explainer videos. Face Swap allows you to replace faces in videos with high realism using advanced identity-preserving models. Talking Photo turns static portraits into short talking videos. All of these tools are designed to support and expand video generation capabilities rather than replace them, and to a large extent, they can eliminate the need for using multiple separate tools. Akool is a professional AI video generation platform designed for content creators, marketers, and brands that require speed, control, and cinematic quality. By focusing on image to video and text to video, combined with access to multiple advanced generation models and pro-level acceleration, Akool allows you to create videos that are fully ready for real-world and commercial use. You can find the Akool link in the description, sign up, explore the platform, and create your first AI-generated video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until the next video, my digital friend.